Hey there, awesome viewers! Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the go-to space for decoding the complexities of relationships. Today we're diving deep into a topic that many have wondered about: what attracts women and the traits she looks for in a man. Before we unravel these mysteries, if you enjoy our content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. Now, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Segment 1. Confidence, the irresistible magnet. Confidence is like a magnetic force that draws women in. It's not about being arrogant, but about carrying yourself with assurance. Confidence reflects a man comfortable in his own skin. And that's undeniably attractive. Segment 2. Genuine kindness and respect. Being kind and respectful is a timeless trait that never goes out of style. Treating others with kindness and showing respect, not just to her but to everyone around, speaks volumes about your character and creates a positive impression. Segment 3. Sense of humor, laughter bonds. Laughter is a universal language, and a good sense of humor can be a game changer. Women appreciate a man who can make them laugh. It's not about being a stand-up comedian but sharing light moments that create a joyful connection. Segment 4. Ambition and drive. Having goals and ambitions in life is incredibly attractive. It shows that you have a direction, purpose, and the drive to achieve something meaningful. Ambition is not just about career goals but can extend to personal growth and passions. Segment 5. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a key ingredient in successful relationships. It's about understanding and managing your own emotions while being attuned to hers. Emotional intelligence fosters empathy and creates a deeper, more meaningful connection. Segment 6. Good communication skills. Communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. Being able to express yourself clearly, listen actively, and communicate openly fosters understanding and strengthens the bond between you and the woman you're interested in. Segment 7. Authenticity. Be true to yourself. Authenticity is captivating. Being true to yourself and embracing your uniqueness is a trait that resonates with women. Authenticity builds trust and forms the foundation for a genuine connection. Segment 8. Thoughtfulness and consideration. Small gestures of thoughtfulness go a long way. Remembering important dates, showing consideration in your actions, and being attentive to her needs are ways to demonstrate that you genuinely care. Segment 9. Resilience and challenges. Life is full of challenges, and a man who can navigate through them with resilience is impressive. Showing strength in the face of adversity and maintaining a positive attitude speaks volumes about your character. Segment 10. Being supportive. Supportiveness is a quality women value highly. Whether it's cheering her on in her endeavors or being a reliable presence in times of need, a supportive partner creates a sense of security and strengthens the emotional connection. Segment 11. Healthy lifestyle choices. Taking care of your health is not just about physical appearance, it's a reflection of self-respect. Making healthy lifestyle choices shows that you prioritize well-being. And it can be an attractive quality. Segment 12. Honesty and transparency. Honesty is the best policy, and transparency builds trust. Being open and honest in your communication creates a foundation of trustworthiness, a fundamental aspect of any successful relationship. Segment 13. Shared values. Shared values form a strong basis for compatibility. When you align on core beliefs and values, it creates harmony in the relationship. Discussing values openly helps to understand if you're on the same page. Segment 14. Independence and individuality. While sharing a life together is beautiful, maintaining individuality is crucial. A woman appreciates a man who has his own interests, hobbies, and a sense of independence. It enriches the relationship and allows space for personal growth. Segment 15. Respecting boundaries. Respecting boundaries is paramount. A man who respects a woman's boundaries demonstrates maturity and consideration. It's about creating a space where both partners feel comfortable and respected. Segment 16. Adventurous spirit. Having an adventurous spirit adds excitement to a relationship. It's not about extreme activities, but a willingness to try new things, explore together, and create shared memories. Segment 17. Attention to personal grooming. Taking pride in personal grooming reflects self-care. It's not about conforming to societal standards, but about presenting the best version of yourself, showcasing that you value yourself and those around you. Segment 18. Intellectual stimulation. Stimulating conversations and shared intellectual interests contribute to a strong connection. A woman appreciates a man who can engage in meaningful discussions, providing mental and emotional stimulation. Segment 19. Flexibility and adaptability. Life is unpredictable, and flexibility is a valuable trait. Being adaptable in various situations shows that you can navigate the twists and turns of life together, creating a resilient bond. Segment 20. Sense of adventure. A sense of adventure injects spontaneity and fun into a relationship. Whether it's planning surprise outings or embracing new experiences together, a sense of adventure keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on the traits that attract women and what she looks for in a man. These qualities go beyond superficial aspects, emphasizing the importance of character and compatibility. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more relationship wisdom. I'm signing off from Wonderful Relationship. Until next time, may your relationships be filled with joy and connection. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions. Until next time, take care and happy connecting.